Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool compact toolkit. This would make a fantastic gift, or if you're wanting to keep it for yourself, that's fine too. It is compact, would be great for kids heading off to college. Who says that tools do not have to be sexy? These guys, HOTO, designed some fantastic tools that are very ergonomic. They all work extremely well, and they're designed extremely fashionable yet extremely functional. Loving the fact that this comes everything in its place. It has plenty of tools in here. You actually have, I believe, 14 tools and quite a few accessories in here. It's actually got extension rods, like this one here is a really neat accessory in here because this is actually one that you can hook into the end of this power. Yes, it is a power screwdriver slash drill, has several settings on this that you can easily move forward or backwards, and does have an illumination feature on there as well, which is absolutely great. For the power, you do have the ability to charge that up using USB-C, so that's always going to be ready and on hand. Some of the neat tools that are in here that I've already had a chance to play with are, one is this hammer. This is a really cool hammer. A lot of different reasons why. It's very just different. It's very sleek, very designed different, feels very good, very nicely weighted. It's a little smaller than a typical hammer would be, but it has a lot of neat features. One, you've got a magnet to be able to hold a nail, so you can put a nail in there and start driving the nail that way. And you have a feature that I haven't seen, which is the ability to turn this hammer into a rubber mallet. So you can actually put this on here if you need to work on wood furniture, beat pieces together and whatever else. You're not going to mar things up using that rubber mallet, which is really neat. And that can come off of there and just go right back in your toolkit. So that's another nice feature that's there. You do have a lot of storage in here to keep extra things. You have plenty of bits that work with your electric screwdriver here as well. Everything on this is functioning as it should and keeps everything in its place. These pieces here, some nice tools. There are some little needle nose guys here, but also have a nice spring, and you can use for wire stripping, crimping, wire cutting. These are all high quality chromium vanadium steel, so they're going to work really well. They've got a handle that's built clear down in here, so that's really nice as well. So it's going to function and it's going to last a long time. I was also really impressed with this, which is just a razor cutter. This functions extremely well with the ability to notch that up and use that as a razor blade. You also have a little cutter in here, so you can use that to slice through anything that you're going to need to with that as well. And it does have, of course, like a lot of them do, the built-in bottom piece here that you can use to snap off part of the blade to sharpen it up, which is really nice. But everything they've got, the feel and the function of the tools that they provide are just next level. Lastly, I'll kind of show you this one here, which is a tape measure. Everybody needs to have one of those, but it functions extremely well. So every piece that they have in here is great, functions well, looks great, and would make a great gift, or keep it for yourself.